Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can build a very simple chatbot using OpenAI. In this video we are going to do prompt engineering to build this chatbot and make it like very easy for anyone to build a simple chatbot for ordering from online menu. So let's get started. So first we will import the OpenAI key, and then we have created two functions. One is for get completion, other is for get completion from messages. So in this we can see we can directly pass in a prompt and it will create a message, and then we'll get a response from this OpenAI chat completion API and then return the response. In the second one we are directly passing the messages. In this case it would be a list of role, user, content, and mixture of like multiple prompts. We can pass all those messages and return a response. So let's take an example. Let's say we are having a list of messages. So first one is the role is the system, and the content is you are an assistant that speaks like Shakespeare. And then user, can you tell me a joke? Assistant, why did the chicken cross the road? Then the user say I don't know. And if we want to get a response from this ChatGPT chat completion API, we'll just use this get completion from messages function and get a response in a Shakespeare language. Next is how are you friendly chatbot? Sorry, this is a system prompt. Then comes the user, hi, my name is Isa. Then comes hello Isa, it's nice to meet you. This comes as a response. So we can pass in multiple messages in form of a list to get a response. And similarly we can see like there are other examples. Now let's get started with the ordering bot. We can automate the process of collection of inputs from the user, and a chatbot will give the proper appropriate response for that. So first of all we have this collect messages function, and what it is doing, it is taking an input value from the user from the UI that we have built. It is then appending it into the context, and we are passing that context to the chat completion function that we have built above, and then we are getting a response from this chat completion, and then again we are appending it to context. So whatever the chats the user will be doing with chatbot, it will be always appended to the context, so that the next time when we are asking the OpenAI to create a response, it will have all the context, all the conversation that user had before with the chatbot. And then this is the panels append. So basically we are just appending the response and the query in the UI, and then returning the UI elements with all the proper prompts and the response. In the next cell we see in this cell we see like we have imported this panel library which is for UI. Currently all the panels are empty, and then we have created the context. So now this is the most important part for prompt engineering for creating a chatbot. So first of all the role is system, and in the content like we have described each and everything, like how the chatbot will operate when it is conversating with the user. So for example, you are an order chatbot, automated service to collect orders from a pizza restaurant. You first greet the customer, collect the order, then ask the pickup if it is for pickup or delivery. You wait to collect all the entire order, and then summarize and check for the final time when the customer wants it and if they want to add anything. Then you can also see like how clearly we have defined how the chatbot should operate, and also we have specified the proper menu with their pricing for all the items which are available within the restaurant. Okay, so now let's get started with the chatbot UI thing. So we'll like start taking an input from the user, and as soon as user click the chat button, the conversation will be started, and and we are like starting the chatbot now. Okay, so now chatbot service has been now started. So welcome to our pizza restaurant. What can I order? So let's check what's in the menu. So as we can see in this menu, they have provided different options for pepperoni pizza, cheese pizza, eggplant pizza, and also some sides with toppings and also some drinks. So let's order pepperoni pizza. I think there's some problem. Okay, so once I given the user prompt, great choice, assistant says, and would you like to anything else, or and is the order for pickup and delivery? So let's say it is for delivery. Nothing else. I would like. It should now ideally ask my delivery address, and yes, then the payment. Okay, now it has shown me all the total of the order that is billed, and also we have entered the delivery address, and let's say we want to pay online. Okay, so now our conversation with chatbot is now completed, and we can see it will send us a payment link shortly. So this is how like we can build a chatbot. And now if you want to like summarize all the order that was placed by this chatbot, we can do, and we can get a response in form of a JSON. So here we can see we have ordered a small pepperoni pizza, large Coke, and with total price. So this is how very simply we can create a chatbot using some prompt engineering techniques, and anyone can do it very easily without getting into like very complex process of building chatbots or maybe using some external APIs. Thank you.